The newest Samsung Galaxy Watch leak appeared today, and it comes from the closest inside source yet to Samsung, Samsung. The official Samsung online store outed the forthcoming sequel to the Samsung Gear Sport smartwatch, complete with a product image and description, according to a report from CNET. The store link reportedly led to a dead page and there was a distinct lack of product specifications. The model number was different than what was registered with the FCC, as well. However, this doesn't mean much, as we still don't have any concrete information about the Galaxy Watch, beyond the increasingly obvious fact that it does exist. Falling into place. At this point, we're almost certain that the Samsung's next watch is going to be the Galaxy Watch. All of the rumors are coming together perfectly, and as we get closer to the assumed announcement, likely happening in August, we expect the speculation will ramp up exponentially. We're still not perfectly clear on any of the details, though. It's possible that the Galaxy Watch will run Samsung's own Tizen OS, or it could alternatively don Google's Wear OS. This would satisfy a lot of Samsung fans who have been asking for greater compatibility. We'll likely learn all the final, solid information about the new smartwatch closer to the Samsung Galaxy Watch release date, which may be as soon as August 9, the same day as the Galaxy Note 9, according to recent speculation. Other rumors point to a NIF 2018 unveiling at the end of August.